Hey everyone, welcome back. I know I haven't been on here in a hot minute, but I have been slowly working my way back into social media. I started with TikTok, then Instagram, and now I'm here. So I'm really excited. As most of you know, I did take this time off so that I can work on my relationship with God, but I feel like it was time to come back. So I'm pretty excited. Today's video is going to be kind of random. I'm just doing a couple of things that needed to be done around the kitchen. And I also wanted to share some of my Easter decorations before I brought them down. It's pretty basic. I really didn't do much, but I hope that you enjoy the video either way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
I'm quickly just going to put away this Walmart order. I had completely forgot that I had placed an order here. So once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and just start washing the dishes. I don't really have a whole lot of dishes to wash. I've been really good at keeping my kitchen somewhat clean. It doesn't always stay that way, but this day it was okay.
Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
I figured while I'm here washing dishes, I chit chat with you guys. I wanted to say thank you for being patient with me. I wasn't sure if I was going to come back. Like I mentioned before, I took this time off thinking that I wasn't going to come back at all, and that I was just going to work on my relationship with God. And my way of doing that was opening up the Bible. And I highly encourage anybody to do the same thing, whether you're going through anything big or small, or you're just like me, you really just wanted to get to know him a little bit better and start a relationship with him. So that's pretty much why I did it. I just had this urge and I couldn't fight it anymore. And I felt like YouTube was a distraction for me, pretty much any social media. So I just decided to quit for a bit. But I'm excited to be back, and just thank you again for being patient with me.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city.
So I thought I'd let you know to take a good look at my stove, because this is going to be the last time that you see it. We had an incident, a little accident here at the house, and the stove caught fire. We're all okay. It was a bit of a scare, but had I known that this was going to be the last time that I cleaned this stove, I would have taken my time. But, you know, it is what it is. It was a blessing in disguise. Thankfully, nobody got hurt. And I did get a new stove. But I will talk about the stove and the fire incident in another video.
So small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
here's a quick little overview of my kitchen. Like I mentioned before, I wanted to show how I decorated for Easter. It wasn't anything crazy. It was very, very simple, very subtle, but I did love it and I wanted to share it with you guys before I started taking everything down. Alright, so we're almost done with today's video, but I quickly wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I can't wait to start filming for you guys. I'm excited to be back. Thank you for your patience, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys all in the next video, God willing.